Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a drop in Udemy Course Sales easy tutorial step by step clearly. Analyze your course performance metrics. Identify the specific time period where the drop occurred. Compare your sales data with previous months or years. Examine any changes in your marketing strategy during that time. Check for updates in Udemy's policies or algorithm that might have affected visibility. Gather feedback from students who recently enrolled or took your course. Review your course content for relevancy and quality. Make sure your course description, title, and tags are optimized for search. Consider updating your promotional materials. Engage with your audience through announcements or emails. Run a limited-time discount or promotional offer to boost enrollment. Explore partnerships with other educators or influencers for cross-promotion. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Create engaging content that highlights the value of your course. Consider adding new resources, modules, or bonus content. Encourage current students to leave reviews and testimonials. Implement a referral program to incentivize your existing students to recommend your course. Analyze competitor courses to identify best practices and market trends. Stay updated on trends in your course topic and adjust your content accordingly. Reassess your target audience and refine your marketing approach. Regularly track your sales data and student engagement after implementing changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.